This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter.
Yo, what's up? What do you get if you order a Porsche from Temu? You get this car. I'm just kidding. This is Aura 07, also known as Aura Grand Cat. And in this video, I'm gonna find out how much space it has. It is fairly long and big and spacious. So yeah, we're gonna put banana boxes in there. Let's check first if you have a frunk. Well, let's see. Wait. Oh, okay, there's a safety hatch there. Well, nothing to see, just car stuff. Wow, look at that sexy butt. You just wanna whoop that ass, right? And here we have adaptive spoiler. It can also be retracted if you want it. And then, okay, the trunk opening is like this. Unlike anything I've ever seen before, it has a quite small trunk opening. So yeah, and this is quite deep. Oh, there are the speakers. Are those subwoofers? Possibly. And then here we have a lid. And yeah, you have the regular foam with stuff here, but it seems like it's quite hard to remove this. I think just gonna leave it there then. First round in the trunk. I try my best, but I can only fit 1, 2, 3. That's one of the worst ever tested. So as usual, I try to put as many boxes as possible in here. What is good is that one box here in the footwell can go horizontal, which means that it has good leg room. But what is not so good is that this is not a big hatch opening. So I had to squeeze in boxes in one side, then close the door, and then squeeze in the other side. And that becomes challenging. Plus that here we have a beam in the middle. We have glass roof, which is good for headroom, but then the beam in the middle ruins for my test. For normal people who use this car, that will not be a problem because nobody sits there, you know, they sit in the back there. But yeah, so this is all I could do, unfortunately. Right, as usual, let's turn up the pitch and start counting in Thai.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
16, 17. Whoa, that is quite bad for a large saloon like this. 17, okay, just as a comparison, I did that Ioniq ES last week, and it was similar size, similar class, but that one was more practical and it could take 23 boxes. Here, only 17, yeah. So well, at least we are testing it now. So if you need the most space, go for the Ioniq ES or whatever other car. Even the Model 3 can take more. But this one, I mean, okay, this is just my stupid banana box test. Maybe in practical, it's not that bad, but the trunk is still quite small. So that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.